Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101. Today we are doing an overview of the Readywise emergency food supply. It contains 132 servings and up to a 25-year shelf life. We picked this up at Costco for $63.99, which isn't a bad deal, especially with all the foods that you get in here. What we are going to do is we're going to make a series of this that we're going to be opening this up. We're going to show you everything, and we're going to go through everything that's in here, and then we're going to test everything one by one to let you know, is this actually worth it or is it not? So, and the great thing is it shows you the two sides of what we have for FoodWise here and there. So what we're going to do is we're going to bust this bad boy open right now. So it actually shows you preparation for everything that you have for your breakfast, your meats, all the entrees, your sides, all the instructions. So what we'll do is take a picture of this and we'll probably post it probably somewhere between this segment and the next one so you kind of see everything. But it tells you how much you need to have, how long it's going to boil and everything. So that's kind of nice that they give you this instruction. So there's the Southwest rice and beans. This is tomato basil soup. I should have said they're all 6 servings. That's 6 servings. This is 6 servings. This is cheesy macaroni, 6 servings. Whey milk alternative, which is real nice to have because sometimes you need to have some milk on the side, which is not very nice. Teriyaki rice, pasta Alfredo, vanilla pudding, this is chicken noodle soup, this is I think this is barbecue beans. This is apple cinnamon. It's very kind of hard to read on there. It's another apple cinnamon. This is brown sugar maple. Yeah. Oh, this is a creamy pasta veg. And this is another creamy pasta veg. This is an orange drink mix. Last but not least, another orange drink mix. So there's a few duplicates, but the rest of it are just the main entrees and stuff. But so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna pause this video right now. We're gonna kind of lay everything out and just show you everything that you get, and to have the bucket in that too. So we'll be right back. All right, so we have everything laid out for you here. The one thing I just kind of want to bring to your attention is that each one of these kits are going to be different. So you're definitely want to check on the front of it right here is going to tell you what is going to be in your Readywise food emergency supply. On this prepared instructions, they do have some stuff on here, which we're going to take a picture. We should be showing it again of some, like they have on here like pancakes, powdered eggs. Now, granted, this was not in the box, so I want to emphasize that. So if you want like the powdered eggs or a pancake or even like a butter sauce that they have, you want to make sure you're reading this. So that's very key, because depending at Costco, they might have different ones of these, or they could all be the same. So it's just something to be aware of. So, but the one thing we are going to do with this is that we are going to try all these meals in full. So we are going to try like this one is the tomato basil soup. So we're going to cut this. We're going to do this as a meal for me and my wife with some bread. We might even use our homemade bread maker to make some bread to go with this. We're going to try the cheesy macaroni, vanilla pudding. We're going to go through all these. We're going to try them and we're going to eat them, fully. And so we're going to give you our honest opinion from my point of view and from my wife's point of view. So you're going to hear her talking in this series. Did she like the alternative whey milk, or did she not like the creamy pasta veg? So we're going to go through all of it and try these and stuff like that. And, I was talking to a friend and he just said, he goes, that's kind of an expensive thing, to kind of open them and use. I said, well, I told myself with this channel, I like to try this first to give my honest opinion of it, because I've done so many dehydrated meals out there and stuff. I get so many great comments from all the different brands, from Mountain House Meals, Valley Foods, Backpacker Pantries, Alpine Air, all this playlist that I have of these. You guys all love it, and you guys give me great comments and feedback saying, hey, I was kind of on the fence and you sold me on it, because you're being honest with that. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to be going through all these, and who knows, we might have, maybe my parents or my mother and father-in-law, if they're here, or other, maybe my brother and that, you try these with us. So hopefully you guys are going to stick around. This will be, probably over the next couple of, about 5, 6, 7 weeks, we're going to be going through these. If you want to see what we tried and stuff, please go to the playlist, and everything's going to be right there below, and I'll put the link in the description. So with that being said, hopefully you guys like this video of kind of this unboxing of a way of seeing, is this something going to be worth it or not. So let me know below if you guys have tried the Readywise, and if you guys have tried any of these, and if you have, let me know what was your favorite and what wasn't your favorite, because then that's going to kind of help me decide, like I'm going to be, down the line, I'm going to like it or not, but that's going to help me out too. So please write that down in the comment below. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.